Hello friends, and today I'll be showing you how to do the sixth experiment, JavaScript timer functions and objects. So we'll write the first one. We'll write a JavaScript to display digital clock. Then what we'll do is we'll write the JavaScript code to change the background color for every 30 seconds. But in this case, we can't wait for 30 seconds, so we'll be changing it every 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds. Then we create random color. Yeah. So then we create event handlers. The third one, we create event handlers will increase font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph and decreases the size when it moves off the paragraph. Then, sorry, fourth one is JavaScript to move absolutely positioned car image. So we just move a car from one place to another by clicking start or stop. We got to create two buttons, start and stop. Then now we create an array of objects which where each object describes about a student and his or her properties for the name. A string, register number, a string, all this, birth year, okay, a name, all this stuff. All these names will be doing and categorizing the student's name before the date of birth and after. So let's go to the experiment. So this is the thing: JavaScript timer functions and objects. So this is what I've created. Now the digital clock, it's 12. As you can see, it's 12:06 over here on my time, 12:06 a.m. Yeah, it's in the night. So 12:06, so it's 06. So let's increase this. Okay. So heads up part. Okay, whatever digital clock we write this in H1 digital clock. See, this keeps changing every second. We write span, ID, time, and then this time keeps showing. Okay, over here. Then we write the script, JavaScript for that. So we get it in hours greater than 12. So you can see it here, hours, minutes and time. Time is H plus, plus M plus and S plus M, PM and AM. It's in a 24 hours format, and every 1000 millisecond it keeps changing. That is 1 second. Call the time display function for every 1 second. Close the script, close the body. So this is the digital clock. Now this is the dynamic background. So this dynamic background, we open the head where this is the numbering of the dynamic background, the colors, the color of the numbers, red, green and blue. We open the body. Here we type in the header, that's the dynamic background. Then we open the script. In the script we get this entire script. We define the function background color. Then we create random colors using the RGB function, whereas so the math.random, math.floor, R, G and B, changing the set body background color. Document.get elements by ID color in HTML color. Set timeout and then background 2000. So that's every 2 seconds. Sorry, so every 2 seconds it changes. Next is the changing the font size over if you move it over the cursor. So as you can see, I'm moving my this cursor over this. So see, it changes. Move the cursor out to zoom out. Simple. Head is the same thing. Now the body we do change the font size. Okay. So para 1 on mouse over. What this does is when you put the mouse on top of the paragraph, it changes. Script. These are the scripts to increase and change the background color and all. So this is to decrease the size and increase the size. Documents dot get elements of ID para 1 style equal to font size 18px. Document dot get elements by ID para 1 inner HTML. Move cursor over me to zoom in. close the script, body. So this is the move cursor out to zoom out and move to zoom in. This is the one where the car moves from a static position to dynamic. Head, same thing. Body, we put the car's picture. Then we write style is position is relative. So in relative, what it does is it kind of static to dynamic. Button ID equal to start. Then one click on click start button. So once you click start, this car will start moving. So start. So as you can see, it's moving over here. The car. All this keeps changing. So the margin left keeps changing. Let's stop it for now and then reset it. So again, you have to start. Then if I keep pressing accelerate, it just keeps accelerating. So to stop it, you need to continuously press stop. So then it stops. It's like once I press start, then if I press accelerate once and then second time, I need to press stop once, second, and then two times. So it's for one each stop, one, one, two, one, one, two. So then it stops the entire car. So and this goes in an infinite loop. It just keeps going on and on. Once you click start, it just keeps going. So accelerate. Now the script behind that is this is the script behind that. So object is equal to document get elements tag name image then style dot position relative style left 0 px where n equal to 0 function start style margin left documents or get element id start in html accelerate x equal to timeout function stop get element id start in html is equal to start clear timeout x equal to null close the script. Here what we do is basically here we divide it into we just have to print like the student's register number and then its um, date of year and all stuff. So year 1 is less than 2000, then year 2 is more than 2000, student 1, student 2, student 4. These three are the student 1, student 2, student 4. They are more than the less than 2000 and more than 3000. Okay. So this is a script. Create an array of object where students name student and then year of birth and then year of birth of student 4. Iterate through an array. What we do here is for we create the length of the array. If students year of birth less than 2000, then get elements id id I plus name dot name plus and then colon. Else document dot get elements id year 2 in your html plus equal to students I dot name plus and everything. Close the script, close the body, close the html. So finally we will be done with the javascript, timer functions and objects. Thank you friends.